Hi, I'm Sarita. I'm from S&P Global Energy Scenarios team. I'm very excited to be here at India Energy Week, Goa. I had the opportunity to speak on green hydrogen and its various evolution under the various scenarios. So we have various scenarios called adaptation, fracture, and renaissance apart from the base case and the net zero. Talking about green hydrogen, we also know how versatile it is. It's not just a commodity, but more than a commodity, like commodity plus plus. It's used in feedstock, in fuel cells, as an energy vector, and in energy storage. It has huge potential to decarbonize India's end use sectors such as hard to abate sectors where decarbonization or electrification is still not possible. So we ran a sample custom scenarios using our internal tool in which we increased the amount of final hydrogen in the end use sector, and that resulted in a huge drop in emissions. So I would like to mention that when we ran the custom scenarios, the drop in emissions was more than 30% if you increase the amount of hydrogen to more than 5%, or to maybe say 10%. So the drastic change in emissions is because of the increase in the amount of hydrogen. So yeah, I would like to say that here at India Energy Week, a lot of buzz is around hydrogen. It's not just a fuel of the future, but it's a strategic reality. We can see hydrogen drones over here. There are hydrogen fuel cell buses. My conclusion over here is that India is not just uh, going to have only one solution for its energy transition, but it needs to have a lot of solutions to reach its goal of 2047 Viksit Bharat and 2070 net zero.